The school has 4 3D printers. They are all the same model, the Ultimaker 2 Plus. Creating a design is easy. The easiest way to create it is using Tinkercad. When you're making a 3D design, you should remember to make sure your design is the right size for your printer and that your design is printable. Once you have a design, you can put it into Cora. Cora prepares designs for the printer. In Cora, you can play around with the settings so you get your design exactly like you want it. The next step is to transfer your finished design onto an SD card so you can put it into the printer. The 3D printer works by turning a whole project into thousands of little slices, working from the bottom to the top and side to side. The layers stick together. They can make very simple or very complex designs.
Hello, my name is Connor, and today I will be interviewing Miss Sammer. So, what do you do at ACS?
I am the technology assistant at the high school.
What classes use the 3D printer?
The whole school can use them, but mostly design class in high school, and also a lot of the middle school art class, they use them a lot.
How often do you see the 3D printers being used?
They're working all the time.
Okay.
We have 4, and most of the time all 4 are working.
Okay. Have you made anything with the 3D printer?
Yeah, I've made a lot of pots for art class. The cactus pots that are made, these were firstly made in 3D printing.
Do you have any experiences with the 3D printer and students in general?
Well, this is my first year at ACS, and it was also my first time using the 3D printers. If you read the manual, they're not that complicated. They're fun.
Good. Thank you for letting us interview you.